Hello everybody. Today, we will learn how to insert progress chart in Excel. Suppose we have the following tables in Excel that contain information like that. I would like to insert donut chart for project A like this. When I change the percentage here, the chart will change like this. It's very dynamic and easy to understand. Now we will start doing it. First, I will select this cell and press the equal sign. We take 1 minus the percentage completed in the cell above to get the percentage of work remaining. Next, I select this cell, press the equal sign and select cell C3. Then I change the font size and font style to match the chart. Next I will select all the data needed to create the chart. Move the mouse to the Insert tab, select the donut chart icon. Please adjust the size and position of the chart in this cell. Next you select the chart. Right-click and select the last line Format Chart Area. Then select the Fill and Line icon. You click No Fill here. Scroll down and click on No Line. This action helps you to see the number displayed in the middle of the chart. Then move the mouse to the chart. In the Donut Hold Size section, you can increase or decrease the percentage to get the chart shape you want. Then select the Blue Chart section. Select the Fill and Line icon and scroll down to the Border section. Select Solid Line, choose Blue here. In the Width line, choose 6 points. Next select the Orange Chart section. Then click on the Fill and Line icon. Choose Gray instead of the default orange. Then scroll down and click on No Line. And everything is done. When you click to change the percentage of project completion, the chart will change like a donut. If you feel this tip is useful, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.